Jisan, Madam and Sir, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Atividad Tan. I am 37 years old, married, and have kids, 5 boys and 1 girl. I graduated high school, Ma'am and Sir, and I have experience as a nanny and as a helper here in Philippines. My working experience was with Mrs. Marilo Abayata, where I taking care of her 2 kids, 3 years old and 4 years old, 1 boy and 1 girl. Then my main duty to them is to taking care of her 2 kids. Then I do cleaning their house, I do washing their clothes, I do marketing, then I do cooking their favorite foods. Then I also mom and sir helping their 2 kids to do their assignment in school. I am skilled in taking care of babies and toddler. I am also very good in cooking Chinese food or Filipino food or Western food. Then I do also good in gardening because we have a garden here. Then if you hired me, I will do my best to be your dedicated, hardworking, trustworthy as a helper. I want to work abroad, ma'am and sir, because I want to help my family for the better future of our children. And I want to save money because I want to support my children for their education. So please, ma'am and sir, if you given me a chance, I will do my best to be your dedicated, hardworking helper. Thank you so much.